Welcome back, everybody. In today's episode of Cooking with Kirby, we're going to be making a classic. We're going to be making some spaghetti. Now, I made some pasta sauce recently. Actually, this video right here, really good sauce. And we're going to be using that in our spaghetti today. So no further ado, let's get into the recipe. Since you're here, hit the like and subscribe button and make sure that the notification bell is rang. Check me out on social media. That way you can get notification of all my new recipes. Alright, to go over our ingredients. Now, this is a two-part series. I made some pasta sauce, our last video. And this pasta sauce, I did not put sugar on it because I got 2 cooks out of this that I have planned. So, we're gonna need 3 tablespoons of sugar along with our pasta sauce. Now, I'll leave a link in the video description and comment section and at the end screen, so that way you could check out the pasta sauce video. Really super easy. Came out very delicious, and the best thing about it is you can put whatever you want in there and to make it yummy. So that's going to be a really good sauce for the spaghetti. I like to add some vegetables to my spaghetti. I got some bell pepper, green bell pepper diced up. Now a little tip, if you got some picky eaters, you know, if you cut them up real thin, they won't notice. My kids actually like mushrooms, so I got about 4 ounces of portobello mushrooms, baby portobello mushrooms, and this is actually 1 bell pepper diced up. And then we're also going to need 1 pound of your favorite pork. I just got mild. This is a kid-friendly dish, so you know I can't have the heat. So we're going to need one pound of pork, and then for topping, some fresh Parmesan cheese. We'll shred that right on top. And you're also going to need a pound of spaghetti. Alright, we're going to go ahead and season our water with some kosher salt. You want it to taste like the sea. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and drop in our pasta. Now cook the pasta to the manufacturer's suggested cook time. Once you get it in there, go ahead and give it a little twirl. Oh, you can break it in there. You want to make sure all your pasta is submerged. And then just stir it every couple minutes so that way it doesn't stick. Alright, so over medium heat, we're going to lay down a little bit of cooking oil. Alright, so when you see some bubbling right there from your wood spoon, it means you're ready to go. So we're going to go ahead and drop in our pork. And we're going to go ahead and break this apart. This is going to be really fast. This pork is going to cook down pretty quick. I think the hardest part out of this whole cook was making that pasta sauce. You know, making sauce takes quite a while, especially using a lot of tomatoes. You know, because you got to reduce down all that water. So, but this is going to be a fast cook. I was gonna add some onion to this. I like to add onions to my spaghetti, but I put a whole onion in that spaghetti sauce. So I got 2 bottles out of that recipe. So yeah, it's pretty much gonna have, you know, the onion flavor. So it's practically like half an onion in that bottle. You wanna make sure you break up your ground pork. That way it evenly distributes throughout the sauce and everything. All right, so now we're gonna go ahead and add in our bell pepper and our mushrooms. So we're gonna go ahead and sweat out the bell peppers and the mushrooms. Alright, check on your pasta. You don't want to overcook your pasta. And another reason why I'm not adding in onion, I mean I already have the onion flavor because I don't want as much, you know, water liquid to develop in the here, because once I put the sauce in there I don't want it to be too watery. I mean the mushrooms are already gonna, you know, add a lot of moisture to it. Alright, so check your pasta. If your pasta is al dente or to your liking, go ahead and drain it. Now it's time for us to put in our sauce. Now we'll go ahead and add in the sugar. Go ahead and mix everything together. Now all we have to do is just bring this up to temperature and get that sauce all nice and hot. Just make sure you incorporate the sugar well, so mix well. And once it's heated up, you're ready to plate. Okay, I want to taste the sauce with the sugar in it. Really good. That's some good spaghetti sauce right there. Okay, so once you have your sauce heated up, now we're ready to mix it with our spaghetti. All right, we're gonna go ahead and put our pasta right back in there. All right, be really careful. Go ahead and transfer your spaghetti sauce into your pasta. All right, get you some tongs. Let's go ahead and mix it all together. That right there, folks, is your spaghetti. This sauce is so delicious. So with that pasta and all those other ingredients, I guarantee it's gonna be delicious. Cheers, y'all. This is good. This is hands down really, really good. Man, that sauce just has so much flavor. You know, that's the best thing about making your own sauce at home, because you can add the components that you want in it, so that way you get the flavors that you want. What do you guys think about it, kids?
It's delicious. I might want a second plate. Me too, I want a second.
All right, well, you heard them. If you're new to my channel, hit the subscribe button. That way you can see future videos just like this. As always, I'll leave a link in the video description and in the comment section, so that way you can go to my website, cookingwithkirby.com, to get the full printable recipe. I have these recipes. They're really good, and you should try them out. Now, y'all be beautiful and take care.